Don't litter. Don't litter.
Bluetooth connected. Head west toward North 15, then turn left onto North Old Indiana 15.
All the pretty girls walk like big boss baby. Pull up in the baby, flooded out my wrist with some ice around my neck. Shaking on my ass, on to the next. You know this pussy good cause he always come back. I'm like, diamond shine.
Change my mind a million times. I wanna hear him say yeah, 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 like it that way. Any man of mine.
Shoes, cause all the pretty girls walk like this.
Here I am, out walking. In the wilderness. I just seen a little tiny mole run across the footpath. Tugging around this huge ass video tripod because it's the only really nice tripod I have with a fluid head for video, and it's really nice when you're trying to pan across and film the flight of birds and animals, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? I need to get used to looking in the camera at the lens instead of at myself. This is my first video that I have devoted the day to shooting actually with my camera. My new camera. I see some lady over there with her dog coming this way. So I better keep on going to the pond area. My lips are dry. Chapped. I'm thirsty. Oh, I see a cardinal and a blue jay. Oh, I might want to stop and record that action. No, they're scurrying. Oh, and a squirrel. I'm missing all the wildlife action because I was gonna sing for you guys. Caught a vibe. Make sure that lady's not behind me. Oh shoot, she's not. Caught a vibe. Baby, I'm going for a ride. I just wanna say from the night, hypnotized by the light. I hope this audio is working good. I got my mic plugged in here. Ah, shit, this is heavy. This place stays open until 7, so I hope nobody bothers me too much besides that lady over there with her dog. I'm not a people person, I'm an animal person. Caught a vibe! When the sun goes down over the water, everything is hotter when the sun goes down. When the sun sinks down, it'll be growing. Everything is moving when the sun sinks down. Feeling alright when the sun sinks down over the water. Everything is hotter when the sun goes down. Turtles on that rock, just chilling. Let's take some pictures of them turtles. Hello. How's it going? How's it going? Alright. For a Monday. Yeah. Hopefully it stays like this for a while.
I know, we've had long enough with cold weather.
Yeah, hopefully it sticks. Have a good one. Enjoy it. That lady with her dog turned in to be a guy and his dog, a pit bull. I have nothing against pit bulls or young men, but when I'm out here alone, I get sketchy. Or I don't get sketchy, I get anxious and nervous. I have a really bad anxiety problem. That's one thing that you'll notice about me when you watch my videos, is I have a really bad anxiety problem. Like when it comes to where to park at, or coming to like a new place, I freak out. I get so anxious and so nervous. And anyway, there's a goose over there just chilling. I don't know if it's stuck or what, but it's just chilling over there. I'm not gonna photograph that goose because I've photographed many gooses in my time, and it's not worth it right now. This is my first time being out here in the spring. I started coming out here last fall, late summer, early fall, I guess. And I've only been doing photography since around then, 2022 fall of 2022. Wow. Now let's see if we can see any wildlife out here. I see another goose stuck in the moss over here, just chilling. Maybe they are like nesting or something, or having maybe they are putting out nests. I hear plenty of woodpeckers. Do I see any woodpeckers? No, I don't. Here's where I wanted to go, is right here, the lake area. I just recently learned of the kingfisher, and that would be really cool to photograph, a kingfisher going in and out of the water. If we look over here to this side, it's also water, which is really pretty. I see turtles out there. But that's about all I see. It's getting late. We gotta hurry up and be out here before 7. It's about time to end the day. Didn't get too much shot, but some turtles. That's a good day, I guess. An okay day. This was probably a very boring nature vlog, but it gave me practice to get here on the camera and record. So there's that. Hey guys, just wanted to hop on here and have a briefing with you, maybe like a one-on-one. Some of you might know me as Tigray or Cooking with Tigray, but for my photography, I am known as LeeO's Photography. So I don't know, maybe my YouTube could be called like LeeO's Creative Outlet, and I could do like videos and pictures at the same time instead of just being like strictly photography and pictures. I want to do small videos like this and take you around in the nature with me and stuff, and like go on hikes and stuff like that. I think it would be fun, and especially for the people who can't get out in nature or don't want to get out in nature, introverts. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Tyler, and I have hope that's not a killer. I would like to have a little photography business called LeeO's Photography, but right now it's just a hobby. Hopefully it'll soon one day grow into a business, which is what I would like it to be. I'm very shy at first, and it's taken a lot out of me to do this and be one-on-one with the camera, so you get what you get. My family has always been poor. I grew up poor, and as a kid I always wanted to do photography, but I couldn't burden my family with the cost of a new camera or any camera whatsoever. I don't know. I felt I didn't want my parents to spend such great money on me when we were like poor, you know, like priorities. So as a young adult, I spent money and saved up. Well, I didn't save up. I leased a camera, and now I own a camera. So as a young adult, I started to look into camera options, and Best Buy had a leasing option, so I leased a camera for about a year, and now I own it. And I didn't start on photography right away when I first got the camera. I started shooting like small little TikToks and videos and such or whatever. But then one day I shot some like self-portraits, and I thought they were pretty good. And then someone posted like some makeup of The Crow, the movie The Crow, and I put makeup on to look like the crow, and I did some self-portraits, and those turned out to be pretty good. And so I was like, if I can do this, then why can't I take really good photography pictures, like, you know, out in nature and stuff like that. So further along down the road, like a year down the road, I have a photography, like a wildlife lens. Sorry, there's like a little squirrel over there. Running across the damn footpath. Now I have a nice telephoto photography lens and a couple cameras, and I'm recently diving into film. I have a Yashica 12 that I have started to take pictures on. I haven't developed any of them yet, but I want to develop them and see if I've taken really good pictures with them. I'm very excited about that. But yeah, as a young kid, I always see myself in nature, sitting with a camera and taking pictures of wildlife. So here I am, in nature. There will be days when I spend more time in nature at one spot, photographing certain things, but right now this park closes in about 20 minutes and I gotta book it out of here. So yeah, it was like a run and gun kind of day. So
McDonald's, what can I get for you?
Could I get one double cheeseburger with extra cheese, please?
Double cheese, extra cheese?
Yes, please. I wonder if I go to the second window. Oh my gosh, do I go to the second window or not? Do I stay here? Do I go to the second window? She didn't say, did she? Jesus. I'm going to the second window. Fuck. I hope that's not right. I hope that's right. Second window. I guess I was right. Second window. Thank you, you too. Damn, they gave me a tree's worth of napkins. Let me see if they put extra cheese on my burger. Yeah, they gave me extra cheese. Let's get out of here. Anyhow, thanks for watching my video, and if you could, or if you want to, click the like and subscribe button. That would help me out, and that would show me that you support this video and these longer videos that I do, and tell me that you actually like them. And I'm excited to make more content like this in the future, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.